Hey YouTube, Technomentary with a quick fix video for you guys. If your iPhone is not turning on, you want to follow these steps to quickly fix your iPhone. So let's show you what you need to do. First thing to do whenever you're having the issue is doing this method where you're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then finally hold on to this side button until the screen shows the Apple logo appear. So I'm going to do volume up, volume down quickly, and then I hold on to that side button. You're going to keep on holding, and then hopefully the Apple logo appears and your phone should be turning on. And it's simple as that. And you might have to do it a few times to get the hang of it. So if it doesn't work the first time, try it again. Quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down, one after another, and then hold on to that side button, and hopefully your iPhone turns on and it is working. Now if it's not, there's a couple other things we need to quickly think about is charging. Now you want to make sure that charge port, when you're charging it, doesn't have dust or debris. Sometimes it collects that, and then when you go to charge it, it doesn't actually charge. So you may be thinking it's charged, but it might just be dead and it's not charging. Another quick way to test is that if you have an iPhone 8 or newer, try using a wireless charger like this one over here. You can just lay it down, charge for like an hour or so, and hopefully it will turn on after doing that. And if that's the case, most likely there's an issue with your charge port that may need to get replaced, or there might be just the dust and debris buildup that needs to be cleaned out, and it's an easy fix just like that. So go ahead and give it a try. Do this method of volume up, volume down quickly, and then holding on to that side button after you charge for 1 hour or so, and use a cleaning it out, and then use a wireless charger. And hopefully after doing these tips, your iPhone does turn on and you're good to go. And if this video is helpful, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.